Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap. And this one is from Sarah. And look how cute this little bag is. These ghosts look like they are hand painted. So I think that she made the fabric and then made the bag. I'm not quite sure, but they're really fucking cute. Oh, sorry. But they're really cute. So on here, this is our little tag. It's a little shaker candy bucket, and there's Sarah's information. I will link everything down below. She's got a little shaker on here, but these are really cute. These are really cute. Anyway, I'll stop gushing over the bag. So in here we have a beaded pen, little pumpkin boo bucket. Here is one of her shakers. So we have a little cauldron shaker. Oh, look at the teal. I love that. So cute. Oh, I like offsetting like words, but she's done it like 3 times. So she's got like an iridescent underneath, like a holographic, a light teal, and then a slightly darker teal on top of that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's really cute. I like that. I like that a lot. We got some sweet treats. We got some little Skittles. And then here's her other shaker, which is 2 mini shakers. But look, these are so cute. Look at these little frames. So cute. Look at the little ghosties. These are really cute. I love that. It's so cute. You know, I have a little die like this. I have these little stickers too. Adorable. And here is her embellishment box. I like her little skeleton guy. So cute. I'm gonna get into it. Here we go. Let's zoom in. You know the drill, right? There we go. A little bit more. So we got some charms right here. This one was a flat back, but she put a little bail on that. And then here we got some ghosties. We got Boo. And then, oh, a tiny little ghosty. A little pink ghosty. And then in here, oh, this is cute. It's like it's a little lock, but it's got little eyes. Very cute. And then a little mummy. A little Boo. I don't know if I've seen this one yet before either. That's really cute. We have a little cat and a little star. And then this one we have spider. Ooh, a little pearl spider. A little skelly guy. A little skelly guy. Oh, this really pretty spider. I don't know if I've seen this one yet either. I like the colors. Oh, and this one is really cool too. It's just like a little skull pendant, but that's really cute. And we got little ghosties. A little ghost reading a book. Oops. White ghosty. Oh, I like this ghosty. That one's a little different. Oh, these are really pretty. I don't know where you got these from, but I love in like the flowers mixed in. It's really pretty. Oh, look at the little cat ghosty. We have a little, look at this little chunky bat. He's cute. We have another little silver bat, and then a little vampire fangs. And then couple of little enamel ones, a little pumpkin. Oh, I like this pumpkin. It's like powder coated, and then a pink pumpkin. Oops. We got some spiders and a little haunted house. I like how she put some clear bails on the back of her little flat back so that you can use them in your dangles. So much fun. Little box, but big attitude, right? And I love the little shakers that she's created, and the bag is just so cute. Sarah, you're gonna have to let me know if you made this, if you painted this. I don't know, but it's really cute, and I just love it. So make sure you give Sarah some crafty love over on Instagram, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.